In this lesson, I will be teaching you how to make this opening effect. First, we can click on New Project, go to Stock Videos, choose a black background as your base video. After the black background is added, click on Text, then click on Add Text. You can now write any text that you want. In this video, I'm going to write Merry Christmas in both Chinese and English. You may separate the text and design it in your own way. Now, you can change the font of the text. Double tap on each of the text bar. Go to Font, and you can choose any of the font that you like. Since this is a Chinese word, I will choose the font that is for Chinese word. We can tap on the next Chinese word and change the font accordingly. Next, we can tap on the English word and choose the font that you would like on it. You can still make some changes to the alignment if you would like to. Next, we can click on Stickers. You can look for a snowflake icon. Click on this snowflake and scroll down to the bottom to look for more snowflake design. Choose the snowflake design that you like, and you can move it to the right side. Next, we will go to Animation. Click on Loop and select Rotate. Adjust the speed to about 2 seconds. Next, we can drag the snowflake all the way to the right and move the timeline to the starting point. Click on the keyframe, then drag the timeline a bit to the right. Then you can slowly move the snowflake out. Once it hit the top, you may stop. Then drag the timeline a bit more to the right and continue the next movement for snowflake until it hit another corner. Repeat the steps again for another corner. So this movement is captured inside the keyframe. It looks like the snowflake is hitting the corner and moving to another corner. We need the last movement, which is zooming the snowflake. But we notice that the keyframe is full, so we extend the stickers bar. Now, after moving the timeline a bit to the right, we can start the next movement, which is zooming in the snowflake. Zoom the snowflake to about half of the screen size and move the timeline all the way to the end, and continue the last movement, which is zooming in all the way until the screen becomes white. Now we realize the stickers bar is slightly longer. We can extend the text bar to make it align. We can click on the top right arrow to export the video. Click on New Project again. Go to Stocks Video and select Christmas and New Year theme. Scroll down to look for a nice winter scenery background. We can first adjust the ratio by choosing 16:9. Then we can click on Overlay, add the video that we have previously edited, enlarge the video to fit the screen. We can move the timeline to slightly middle. Then we can click on Blend and choose Darken. We can see that the video we have created earlier on is longer. We can extend the image duration by dragging the side panel. We have finally come to the end of the editing. Let's look at the final product now.